Hello mga lalabs. Ayan, for today's video, ayan, gabi na. Pero, as I said, ang alaga ko, pag walang school, lalo na ngayon kasi, nila Ramadan. So, pupunta kami ngayon sa pinsan niya. At ang bahay nila ay nasa gitna ng disyerto. Doon yung bahay nila. Ayan mga lalabs, gabi na. The time is 8:45. Ayan, kahit 8:45, kahit gabing-gabi, kahit umuulan, basta gustong gusto ng alaga ko, gusto niya na pupunta. Meron din siyang pinsan dito sa malapit. Parang nagsawa na siya, so doon na naman kami pupunta mga lalabs for this video. Nandun kasi yung ate niya kaya yan, pagkatapos ng photo nila 6:15, 6:05 kakain sila, tapos kakain na naman sa yung kumbaga nila. Ayan, nagbiyahe na naman kami mga lalabs. Umuulan-ulan pa yan mga lalabs, ang aming biyahe. Bali from here, and ang kasi namin, ang bahay namin ay sa exit 5. Pangalan ng namin ng kumbaga namin is Algider. Exit 5 kami, so papunta kaming Disyerto. Maraming bahay din sa Disyerto. Dati nga din daw ang aming lugar dito sa exit 5. Unti lang daw ang bahay din dito, pero marami na sa ngayon. Oo. Sobrang ang kasi, alam mo naman dito sa Saudi talagang maraming sa mga disyerto. Kaya nga pag dito, pag mahangin, pag tag-init mostly, pag humangin na yan, mayroon ng tawag ay sandstorm. Sa sandstorm dito. So, yun, mahihirapan yung mga tulad sa amin, mga kunyang, kasi syempre, tsaka yung mga alikabok dito mga lalabs, nako grabe. Kung taong allergy ka, talagang mangangati ka. As in, kasi yung alikabok dito, hindi katulad sa atin na bastang alikabok lang. Dito talagang pag mag-alikabok na sa mukha mo, para siyang ang gaspang ng ng buha, parang may buhok, kumbaga sa atin maliliit na buhangin, ang sakit pag na sa mukha mo. Kaya pag nagsa sunstorm dito, nakamask talaga kami lahat. Oo, yung mga allergy, ayan, magkakaroon na sila ng mga ayan mga lalabs, yung dinaanan namin, mga may ginagawa ang daanan under construction. Tawag nito, pag allergy ka, yun, nagkakaroon ng mga pimples ang mga mukha. Sa awa naman ng Diyos, hindi ako ma-allergy. Pag talagang nagsa-sunstorm, talagang nagmamask ka kaagad. Tapos pag uwi mo sa bahay or saan ka man pumunta, maghihilamos ka kaagad. Kasi napakakati mga lalabs pag sa atin, mukha natin, sa mga natin sa ating mga arms, sa ating mga kamay. Ayan na mga lalabs. She's in swimming pool.
She's happy.
No, she's not looking to the camera. She's inside you like that.
But is she happy?
I cannot see her face because it's like that. Not
I
like
mean,
that.
just happy there. Just happy in the Philippines.
I don't know. I don't know. We are not chatting. Just only I saw the picture in the posting. Only one. What is the name of the place of Nora?
My
Baladia?
Mahdiya.
Ah, we're going to the Hadiya. Oh, it's like just now this one is making the side of the
This is not making. This is real.
this one.
This is real.
This is the design of the like
Not
what?
design. They are.
That is mud.
No.
Doing for the mud,
They
not the
not
cement.
create that one.
No.
No. They don't create that one. It's like that.
The engineer who make that one.
No.
Who make
It's
that
like
one?
that.
Only like that.
It's like that owl. Look. 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 Look.
Oh, see, they have a plan. And then you said
Yeah,
not create.
It's owl. Look.
Oh my God. I remember this before when we are going in the Istiraha, this road. This road is going also in Istiraha. But I think it's different the way going to their house.
Look.
Okay, English,
Close.
English pa mga,
Look.
English,
Close.
English pa ko mga lalabs, ha?
Look. We're close. It's like their house. But the road here is very dark.
Very close in the house of Nora now. So I will see the time. This is the place going there. Oh, like a mountain really. Oh, fixing. Look. Oh, it's very dangerous here if it's raining too much.
Look. Mahdiya. Mahdiya.
Nothing writing English. Ito na. Pupunta na sa kanila. Gala kami in the night.
Look.
Road
That
trip
is
in the
their
night.
house.
The way we are not walking, their way we're still like this.
Because we're in the middle.
Mary said it's very far. Marge, it's not far. Mary said, Rima. Gala kami sa Kagabihon. The time is 10:01 p.m. Tapos umuulan-ulan pa oh. May payong kami. Ayun ang payong namin. Kasi nandun yung kanyang kapatid. Kaya gala-gala in the night. Looking eyes, tell me what you say. Ano? Maladiya?
Mahdiya.
Maha. Mama.
Mahdiya. Mahdiya. Like Hadiya. But put M.
Mahdiya.
Mahdiya.
Rima said it's already 5 minutes. 5 minutes? And then we said it's like a mountain. But nothing. Look, oh.
Wait. It's the...
Look, the road is very nice. It's like in the mountain. We can look down like this. She
Yes,
said
we
like
can
that.
look down.
But you said 5 minutes.
Yeah, 5 minutes.
I will see. Because we are going out. When we are in the house, we start in the house. The time is 9:46. I know, 48. But now is 10:03. Tell me what you say. Perfect paradise.
Why want to go Philippines?
Yeah. Because yesterday I thought she's already nothing because very very cold wind yesterday. I thought I'm really scared because we are cleaning in the house and then nothing blood in her like that and then she's sitting, Ate, help me. She like that. What happened to you? And then I make coffee, very very hot coffee. I let to drink her coffee. Wayne, what happened to you? Ate, it's spinning all of my body like this, running, coming here in the tummy, like this, like that, like this, coming here. I massage her, I remove her dress, I bring her in the room.
You
I
see
massage
the
her.
kitty?
No, only in the body here. Ah, titit. Only here in the tummy, I put the Vicks and Dada. And then I really like this in here, like that. And then her tummy is like that. Oh my God, I'm scared. And then she's crying, Ate, really, I will go in the Philippines because she's calling to her Baba. Okay, you can come, you talk to your madam in a nice way. You can come because you rest here. I said like that. And then
Black
she's crying.
magic is sihr.
Like because always going in the hospital, take medicine.
Why
The
black
medicine
magic?
is,
Why black magic?
I don't know, maybe,
Like not in Bible.
huh?
Sir, you're Christian, sir. You have a book named Bible, sir.
We have a Bible, but Wing is not a Christian. Wing is a different. Wing is what is the name of her religion?
Muslim.
Not Muslim. They have name of her. She's not a Christian.
What is
She's
she?
a different.
Look,
I forgot.
look, see?
What's it?
Look.
Look, I look.
Look, there.
What is that? They have a vampire.
Why vampire? A vampire doesn't exist.
Oh my God, it's raining. Oh, the water is like a flood. Oh my gosh, it's flooding. Oh my gosh. I'm counting the time. So, 40, 50, 10 minutes. We're here now. Oh, no light in the road.
Yes, I told you.
So I off this one. Nothing light. Oh, this one, Rina. That one?
Yeah, that one. Oh, this one.
This one. Oh. This whole, Rina, is this one all like that or this one only?